Hey everybody, my name is Zach and I'm with BrandsMart USA, and today I'm here to tell you about the Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus. It's a 360-degree portable room-filling speaker, so let's get into it. The SoundLink Bose Revolve Plus portable speaker is an amazing speaker packed with great technology like omnidirectional sound and passive radiators to ensure lifelike sounds, giving you goosebumps. Packed with power, this portable speaker gives you an impressive 16 hours of lithium-ion charge for a full day of your favorite tunes. And it also has an IPX4 rating water resistancy, so it can withstand those small splashes by the pool. The voice prompts feature talks to you through Bluetooth pairing, and you can easily connect to 2 devices. Also, this speaker remembers the 8 most recently connected devices. With bumper-to-bumper protection, this speaker can withstand accidental drops. It's built to last. When it's time to move, you don't want to fumble about. That's why we made the speaker grabbable, touchable, and easy to operate, right down to the soft, smooth buttons that ensure every interaction feels natural. The Bose Connect app allows you to personalize your experience so that there's less time setting up the speaker and more time enjoying it. This speaker comes in triple black and luxe silver. And there you have it, folks, the Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus, available now at BrandsMart USA.